Hi guys, welcome back. And today it is a very special video for me because almost after 6 to 7 months I got a chance to shop for myself. Not online but traditional way of shopping. I missed going out and shopping out and bargaining with the vendors. So finally, yesterday was the day when I could really do that from none other than Sarojini Nagar. So Sarojini Nagar is an emotion for me. I really don't like shopping from malls so much as I like shopping from flea markets, especially Sarojini in Delhi. And I guess it's a perk for every person living in Delhi, to be precise, for every girl living in Delhi to have one Sarojini. So, yesterday when I managed to go to Sarojini, I was little disappointed because this corona happened and Sarojini is not completely open. So there were few shops which were still open, like two-fourth, like half of the market is open and half is not working. So from that half of the market, the stock was not really very good like it is usually, and the prices were not they weren't the usual prices. So I had to bargain a lot, and I really had to um, roam around the whole market to put my hands on some amazing pieces. So yeah, after all of this I still managed to put my hands on some really amazing pieces which I'm going to show you now. So without any wasting any time, let's jump on. The very first, I will start with the uppers. The very first piece I could buy in a very amazing price are the sports bras. I'll show you. So this is the first sports bra which I bought for myself, and the best part about sports bras is that you can wear them as a top, as a bralette, um, like anything. And the second sports bra is this. I really like the colors are very staple and pastel. They are amazing. The fit of these sports bras are very amazing. I like these three strings going details. And yeah, and about this is again a very beautiful color, mustard yellow, more of a brown mustard yellow, and with that Nike written on it. I really like it and it's very comfortable, and I managed to get these in 300 both. Next is again few tops, and they are really amazing and I had to bargain a lot for them. So I'll show you. So the first I'm talking about is this black crop button top. This, I really like the color, obviously black, and I really like this button details, and I always wanted a top like this which is little loose but crop, and yeah, I just love it. Along with it, I bought this. Again, this staple color has my heart and I really love it. I really love the mint green color of it, and the quality is amazing. The quality is very amazing, and I was very surprised that the even if the market is half open, the qualities of the product has really increased. So I really like these two pieces and I bought both of them in 200. Not individual, both of them in 200. Though he told me the price around 600 or 700, but I bought them in 200. So yeah, it was a good deal, I guess. So the next piece is also from the same place where I bought the two tops, and it is an olive green shirt. I really liked the color and the quality of the fabric is very nice. You can see I have not ironed them yet because I had to wash it. I got it sanitized and now I will wear them. So the quality of the product is really very nice. It's not transparent. and I really like the olive green color of the shirt. I bought it for 150 rupees, and the price there was around 300, but I bought it for 150. Not 150, I guess 120 was the deal. Yeah, I bought it for 120. So this is an amazing piece, I must say. Next piece is also a shirt. I like the stripe details and the color of the shirt, color combination of the shirt with a brown, black and white, off-white creamish color. I really like the sleeves of the shirt, and it can, I can turn them both into formal and casual and a date night, and I really love the details, and the fabric is amazing. It has a pocket here, if you cannot see. 1 second. I really like the color and I really love this shirt. Along with this, I got 3 more t-shirts, tops. Then I will tell you the price. The first top I got was this off-shoulder crop top, polka dot off-shoulder crop top. It is amazing and the fabric is really very amazing. The fit is very nice. Polka is so vintage and it is so in right now. And I really love polkas, are never fading out. I love the color. It's so bright and sunny yellow. I really love it. The other piece is this very beautiful crimson maroon red bell sleeves top. I really love the sleeves detail in it. I really like, as soon as I got my eyes on this top, I didn't leave it till I didn't bargain a good price for them. I really love the sleeve details here. And then here this neckline is also good, not that crop. I really love the color, the sleeve details. I always wanted something like this, something ruffle and all, and I really love it. So it's my first buy in for ruffle trend. So I really love the color and the details. And along with this, I bought this black top. 1 second, let me show it to you. A full sleeves black top, because yeah, I always wanted one like this. It has a good button details, which is covered up little bit, and it's a full sleeve crop top. And guess what, guys, I bought all these 4 pieces in just 400 rupees, like 100 for each piece, and I guess it's very, very amazing. Now I bought denims bottoms. They were little expensive as compared to the usual prices that we get in Sarojini, but then I must say I'm a very good bargainer, and I bargained like a lot. I just stuck at a place and I didn't leave the piece until I bargained it on my price, and I got it on my price. So yeah, let's go there. The very first piece in denims, I bought this dungaree. So he was giving this dungaree, the shopkeeper was giving this dungaree to me for around some 700, 600, but I managed to buy this in just 250. The quality is just too good. It's pure denim, guys. It's very, very, very beautiful piece. I always want a full black dungaree, and I managed to get it. So I bought it just for how much? 300. Other piece is again very amazing. I always wanted something like this in my wardrobe, and it is this. It's a long denim jacket, or I can say I can convert into a denim dress by buttoning up. It's kind of a denim shrug for me too. It has very beautiful rib details on its sleeves, then beautiful on its front, beautiful two pockets and rib on its front. And the best part, the back. So nice. I couldn't just put my eyes off, and I really love this piece. He told me the price was $750. I bought it for $250. Another two pieces are very basic yet very in. The first piece is this black denim skirt, plain black denim skirt. Nothing very funky about it, but I like the details. These details, these rough details. I bought it for $150 only. Last buy was this amazing light blue denim wide legged pants. I really like the fit of the pants. They're very smooth. The fit is very smooth. It's little tight on my thighs, but rest of it is very amazing. And I really love the color. I really love the fit. I really love the whole idea of buying this wide legged jeans. I always wanted to have this in my wardrobe, and I finally have it. The rest of the purchases are, I bought 5 sports shoes, white, yellow, mixed, black, and what else? White, yellow, mixed, black, and 1 pair of flat slippers, which I will show you on my on my Instagram account through reels or through a post, because yeah, it is how it works. So yeah, this was the purchase, and there I shopped no jewelries, no accessories, no sling bags, nothing right now, because I was waiting for Sarojini to open completely during November maybe, and when the winter stock come in. So I'll wait for that. I'll go again and I'll go shopping again, and then we'll see if we'll get better products and something good, more better there. Till then, thank you, really thank you for watching my video. If you like it, do like, comment and share it as much as you can, and I will definitely get to you with the second part of this haul, and I hope you like it. Thank you guys. Bye.